Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to convert an old or waste box in this beautiful mixed media container box. So I have added lots of layers and techniques to create this beautiful box. So I will show you each and every step in detailed procedure. You can open this box like this, and inside the box I have put my mini album which fit perfectly inside this. You can add any jewelry or chocolates or any gift item inside this. So without any delay, let's start with procedure. For this we need glue gun, mixed media modeling paste, white gesso, some color sprays, liquid glue, pattern paper, paintbrush, scissor, palette knife, black and metallic acrylic color, metallic lock, any stencil of your choice, wooden embellishment, and old or waste cardboard box. First I am taking this waste cardboard box which I got from the parcel package, and the length of this box is approx 11 cm, width is 13 cm, and height is 5.5 cm. But you can take any box which you have, no matter what size it contains. So the lid of the box look like this, but I want to create it as a single flap, so I am cutting one flap from this side. Now I will connect this flap with this from the center. So to connect this I am taking white color paper strip, just adding little glue and connecting like this. In the same way I am adding one more paper strip from back side to make it more secure and steady. So now the box will look like this. Now in the same way I am adding some paper strips on all joints of the box to make it more secure and steady. So in short, you need to cover each and every joint with the paper strip. It will give your box more finishing. In the same way I have added paper strips in the corners. Now I am taking one more cardboard piece which measures 13 by 2.5 centimeters, and I will connect this strip with the lid like this, so that we can add our lock on this. So I am taking one more paper strip and connecting this cardboard strip with the lid. So this is done. In the same way I have added some more paper strips on the edge of this strip and from the inside of the box also. Now I am starting the layering of the box. For the first layer I am adding some pieces of newspaper. First I am applying the mixture of glue and water using my brush and adding the piece of newspaper. In the same way, I will cover whole box with these small paper pieces. So I have covered whole box using these pieces. Let it completely dry for 1 hour. So it's completely dried. Now I'm starting with my second layer. For this I'm taking this stencil from iCraft and I'm just making some design using this stencil. I'm taking this mixed media paste from Little Birdie. This is a combined solution of white gesso and modeling paste. So this is very nice. I'm just applying this paste on the stencil using my palette knife. So it will look like this. Isn't it pretty? In the same way I will cover all the sides of the box using the stencil randomly. So after applying this texture, the box will look like this. Now I am taking this piece of silver color net. You can also use cheesecloth. So I am applying the net on this using some glue. Like this. So it's dried and it will look like this. Now I am taking this crochet lace and I will add this lace in the bottom of the lid. So just apply a little glue and connect the crochet lace. Now I am taking this wooden embellishment and I will connect the embellishment on the right top corner. Add little liquid glue and connect this embellishment. Now I am taking this steel corners which is easily available in any hardware store, and to connect these corners in the bottom of the box I am taking strong adhesive. Just apply a little adhesive and connect the corner like this. You can also use hot glue gun to connect this. In the same way I will connect remaining two corners. Now I am adding little glue here and there on the lid and applying some micro beads like this. Now I am taking white gesso and applying the gesso on whole box, covering each and every texture, embellishment. So you need to cover whole box with this white gesso. If you don't have gesso, you can also use white acrylic color. But the gesso will give you very nice base, and only one coat of gesso is sufficient. So I have covered whole box. Now I am taking this little birdie color splash. This is hot pink color, and I'm just spraying the color here and there. Wow, it's look awesome, isn't it? I'm taking one more color, the tint of little green. Like this. So it's dried. Now I'm splashing some black acrylic spots here and there using my brush. Now I am taking bronze metallic color and using my finger I am applying this color on the box. So first I am just applying little paint on the wooden embellishment to highlight this, and also I will add this color little bit on the box wherever required. Now I'm taking my black acrylic color and painting all four corners again. I have covered these corners using white gesso so that we can easily apply any acrylic paint on this. Since I want to give it little antique look, that's why I have covered this with gesso. Now first I am applying black color on all the corners. In the same way, cover all the corners, and then again I am taking my metallic paint and applying on this and spreading the color using my fingers again. So it will give you your corner antique metallic look, which I like the most, like this. In the same way, color remaining corners. So this is done and it will look like this after coloring. Now I have connected this crochet lace around the box to decorate this. So in the front also I am connecting one more piece of crochet lace. So I am just taking little bit of lace for the front part, add little liquid glue and connect the lace. These laces are easily available in any handicraft store or any craft store. So this is done. Now I am taking this metal lock which I got from local craft store. You can also get it from carpenter shop or from any hardware shop. And to connect these locks, I am taking my hot glue gun. Just apply a little glue on the back side and connect with the lid and the box exactly in the center, like this. So it's dried and it is working very nice. Now to decorate the box, first I am attaching little piece of jute. You can also use the hairs of coconut in the place of jute. And now I am attaching these paper flowers. These are ready-made flowers. Now I am adding some paper leaves. These are also ready-made leaves. So the beautiful mixed media box, which is made out of waste box, is ready. Isn't it very pretty? And it's very easy to create. I have decorated the box from inside using some pattern papers. And now I am adding this mini album inside this, which fits perfectly inside the box. I have shown this mini album tutorial earlier. If you want to learn, I have given link in description box. So the beautiful mixed media box is ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.